Hello everyone, before we start this video, you can get a 3-month free trial on Shopify with our links down below. So today in this video, I will show you how to change your Shopify store location. Now, this is very simple to do and anyone can do this. So as you can see, first of all, what you want to do is if you don't update your shipping address or shipping settings, then your shipping rates are calculated based on the location that's set as your default location. So you can always change your default location, which is indicated by a default tag in your location settings. So obviously, if you're doing this on your desktop from your Shopify admin, you need to go to settings, and from settings, you need to go to locations. From there, in the default location section, you can click change default location. If you change your store location or something like that, you will be able to select another location here, and you will be able to completely change your Shopify store location. So this is how you can do it on your desktop, on your Android, or on your iPhone. It's pretty much the same. You open the Shopify app, you go to settings, in the store settings section, you tap locations, and then in the default location section, you tap change default location. From there, you just select a location and then just tap save. That's pretty much it. Again, once you change your location, you will be able to do a lot of different things such as updating your shipping settings and stuff like that. So make sure all of your settings are cohesive with your change of your location. So again, you can get a 3-month free trial for your Shopify store. If you want to try it out, click the links down below and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.